some strange evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So the new M1 MacBook Pros have been out for about a week now, and I'm noticing a trend inside of YouTube of, oh, it has a notch this time. Oh, it has only 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. I just want to start this review off by saying that doesn't matter, not to me anyway. And I don't think it's going to matter to you guys. The average watcher, the average Joe, the do-it-all blogger. I think this machine is fantastic. As I said in the unboxing of my 14-inch, it truly is a masterpiece. I think if Steve Jobs were here, not speaking for him directly, I think he would have loved to see a machine like this, and he would be very proud of what he's released. And true to Apple's word, they have created a product which does enrich people's lives, which is a pro machine. And looking around the body of the machine, I can just see that. Straight away, Apple have really gone to work here. Looking at the raw performance benchmarks, looking at the numbers, it's fine. It's very, very, very close on some of them. That doesn't matter to me, it might matter to you. But what I will say is compared to the white PC build, it is actually just as fast, and in some tasks is much faster. Okay everyone, you have been awesome. I just want to give a big shout out to all my lovely subscribers so far and for sticking with me. And I want to give you great quality content. As always, don't forget to hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.